Hello friends, welcome to my channel HYYL English Literature. Friends, today I have come with another important writer. The name of the writer is William Golding. So friends, please do subscribe my channel as it will help you for your preparation for the coming UGC NET exam. Also it will be helpful for the state level SLATE exams also. So let's start our video. Our first question is, in which year was William Golding born? The options are 1907, 1909, 1911 and 1914. So the correct answer is option C, 1911. Our next question is, in which year William Golding died? The options are 1990, 1993, 1996, 1999. So the correct answer is option B, 1993. Our next question is, to which country William Golding belonged? So the options are England, Netherlands, Norway, Algeria. So the correct answer is England. Our next question is, what was the full name of William Golding? The options are William Henry Golding, William Gerald Golding, William John Golding, William Golding. So the correct answer is William Gerald Golding. Our next question is, in which year William Golding received Nobel Prize? The options are 1979, 1981, 1983, 1987. So the correct answer is option C, 1983. Our next question is, in which year William Golding received Booker Prize? The options are 1972, 1976, 1978, 1980. So the correct answer is option D, 1980. Our next question is, for which novel William Golding got Booker Prize? The options are The Brass Butterfly, Darkness Visible, The Rites of Passage, Lord of the Flies. So the correct answer is The Rites of Passage. Our next question is, name the trilogy written by William Golding. The options are Jazz Trilogy, To the Ends of Earth, Malayan Trilogy, Snobs Trilogy. So the correct answer is option B, To the Ends of Earth. Our next question is, which one among the following novel does not belong to the trilogy To the Ends of Earth? The options are The Rites of Passage, Close Quarters, Fire Down Below, The Mansion. So the correct answer is The Mansion. Our next question is, in which year was William Golding knighted by Queen Elizabeth II? The options are 1988, 1990, 1995, 2000. So the correct answer is option A, 1988. Our next question is, to whom did William Golding marry in 1939? The options are Beatrice I4, Rowena Pringle, Lady Ellison, N.A. Brookfield. So the correct answer is option D, N.A. Brookfield. Our next question is, what was the cause of Golding's death? The options are brain stroke, heart failure, accident, drowning. So the correct answer is option B, heart failure. Our next question is, name the first novel of William Golding. The options are The Brass Butterfly, Darkness Visible, The Rites of Passage, Lord of the Flies. So the correct answer is option D, Lord of the Flies. So the most famous novel of William Golding, Lord of the Flies, was his first novel. Our next question is, which was the first play of William Golding? The options are The Brass Butterfly, Darkness Visible, The Rites of Passage, Lord of the Flies. So the answer is option A, The Brass Butterfly. It was published in the year 1958. Our next question is the title of which novel by William Golding is taken from Milton's Paradise Lost from the line no light but rather darkness visible. The options are The Brass Butterfly, Darkness Visible, The Rites of Passage, Lord of the Flies. The correct option is Darkness Visible. Our next question is which novel by Golding set in ancient Delphi which was published posthumously? The options are The Brass Butterfly, The Double Tongue, The Rites of Passage, Lord of the Flies. So the correct option is option B, The Double Tongue. Our next question is the most famous of Golding's novel Lord of the Flies was published in which year? The options are 1948, 1952, 1954, 1960. So the correct answer is 1954. That is option C. Our next question is what does the title of the novel Lord of the Flies refers to? The options are Lucifer, Beelzebub, Jesus, none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, Beelzebub. It was another name for the devil. Our next question is which novel by Golding is about a group of British boys struck on an uninhabited island who try to govern themselves with disastrous result? The options are The Brass Butterfly, The Double Tongue, The Rites of Passage, Lord of the Flies. So the correct answer is Lord of the Flies, option D. Our next question is William Golding's masterpiece Lord of the Flies was rejected by 56 publishers but finally accepted by which publisher? So it is very interesting to know that the masterpiece Lord of the Flies was rejected by 56 publishers. So you have to keep in mind that this can be also a very important question. Option A, Faber and Faber. Option B, Simon and Schuster. Option C, John Wiley and Sons. Option D, Penn Macmillan. So the correct answer is option A, Faber and Faber. Our next question is the novel Lord of the Flies is a reaction to which youth novel, which is not a dystopian novel? So we already know that Lord of the Flies is a dystopian novel, but here the question is the novel Lord of the Flies is a reaction to which youth novel which is not a dystopian novel? The options are Waiting for Godot, The Coral Island, The Heart of Darkness, or option D, both B and C. So the correct answer is option B, The Coral Island. So the Coral Island is not a dystopian novel. It was written by R.M. Ballantyne. The characters Ralph and Jack Martin are here also in the novel. Our next question is which among the following is not a non-fiction written by William Golding? The options are The Hot Gates, A Moving Target, An Egyptian Journal, A Room of One's Own. So the answer is option D, A Room of One's Own. A Room of One's Own is a work by Virginia Woolf. Our next question is in the novel Lord of the Flies, what does Ralph represents? The options are A, rationality, B, pragmatism, C, savagery, D, innocence. So the correct answer is option A, rationality. Our next question is in the novel Lord of the Flies, what does Piggy represents? The options are already we know rationality cannot be there because we studied it earlier. Still let's see the options: rationality, pragmatism, savagery, innocence. So our answer is option B, pragmatism. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, what does Jack represents? So the options are rationality, pragmatism, savagery, innocence. So the correct answer here is option C, savagery. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, what does Simon represents? Now in the options you can see rationality, already we studied earlier, pragmatism, already we studied earlier, savagery, already we studied earlier. So what is left? It's innocence. So here Simon represents innocence. So option D is correct. In our next question, in the novel Lord of the Flies, by what way Ralph used to call all the survivors on one area? So here, in what way, by using what means Ralph used to call the survivors in one area whenever he required them to be there? So the options are by blowing a whistle, by shouting, by making a smoke, by blowing a conch. So the correct answer is option D, by blowing a conch, and this conch he had found it on the island. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, who is elected as the chief of the survivors and is the protagonist aged 12 years? So the options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So the correct answer is option C, Ralph. So friends, please do remember that Ralph is the protagonist and his age is 12 years. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, who among the boys is made responsible for food? The options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So the correct answer is option A, Jack. Jack is made responsible for food. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, who among the boys is made responsible for constructing shelters? So the options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So the correct answer is option B, Simon. Simon is made responsible for constructing of shelters. Our next question is, who is the antagonist of the novel Lord of the Flies? So the options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So you have to name who is the antagonist in among these four. So the correct answer is option A, Jack. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, one night an aerial battle occurs on the island while the boys were sleeping, during which a dead fighter pilot is ejected from his plane. Who among the boys saw the pilot whose parachute was tangled in a tree on the top of the mountain? Option A, Pincher Martin. Option B, Locke. Option C, Pa. Option D, Sam and Eric. So the correct answer is option D, Sam and Eric. Our next question is, who envisions the pig head now swarming with the scavenging flies as Lord of the Flies and believed that it is talking to him? So the options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So the correct option is option B, that is Simon. Our next question is, cut his throat, spill his blood. Here Dash appears, but the boys do not see him as Dash. They see him as the beast and violently kill him. Now we have to fill in the blanks here. The options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So the correct option is option B, Simon. So now again I will read the statement. Cut his throat, spill his blood. Here Simon appears, but the boys do not see him as Simon. They see him as the beast and violently kill him. Our next question is, who asserts that life is scientific? He innovated a sundial that boys used to tell time. The options are Jack, Simon Ralph Piggy. So the correct option is option D, Piggy. Piggy says life is scientific. Our next question is, in the novel Lord of the Flies, who is associated with Christ? The options are Jack, Simon, Ralph, Piggy. So here the correct option is option B, Simon. Our next question is, which is the second novel of Golding, and it concerns with the extinction of one of the last remaining tribes of Neanderthals at the hand of more sophisticated Homo sapiens. The options are The Brass Butterfly, The Double Tongue, The Inheritors, Lord of the Flies. So the correct option is option C, The Inheritors. It was published in the year 1955. Our next question is, who are the chief characters in the novel The Inheritors? The options are Pincher Martin, B, Locke, C, Fa, option D, both B and C. So the correct answer is option D, both B and C. Locke and Fa are the chief characters in the novel The Inheritors. Our next question is, in which novel the plot surrounds the survival and psychological, spiritual and existential plight of one Christopher Hedley, Pincher Martin, a temporary naval lieutenant who believes him to be the sole survivor of a military torpedo destroyer which sinks into the North Atlantic Ocean? The options are Pincher Martin, Locke, Fa, and in option D, both B and C. So the correct answer is option A, Pincher Martin. Our next question is, which among the following novels is not a work by William Golding? The options are Free Fall, The Spire, Nostromo, The Pyramid. So the correct answer is option C, Nostromo. Friends, Nostromo is a work by Joseph Conrad. Our next question is, which among the following novels is not a work by William Golding? The Scorpion God, The Rainbow, Darkness Visible, The Peppermint. So the answer is option B, The Rainbow. The Rainbow is a work by D.H. Lawrence.